how video definitely open video share pa open downloads into the GD passes are changes we are maybe try to seasonal pa. Recently Vodafone for make changes to more service now provide especially internet bundle no Vodafone for make changes people. In your name say first no we say MTN or midnight no nebo e from chain Vodafone no but see and Vodafone for the changes see are 3 Ghana cedis 3 Ghana cedis on 9 gig on my 9 gig na 2 Ghana cedis on my 6 gig and now first in the soon 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock AM like 12 AM to 4 o'clock AM but see and Vodafone for their call from 12 to 5 o'clock AM. To say to say MTN now, but bundle for midnight no, I very cheaper. To be the pass open downloads be a mom we use PS4 now most more download the games, you know, and I say more updates more phones anyway, you know. Me sure say offer your mature audience so wait me check it out. Unim kwa bet my first why midnight and I bet you say how star 700 hash. A Vodafone American or buy a pop up say I know what is first one that's buy data or buy data now no about A4 9 bundles no about 9 bundles no about 9 bundles and so about 9 bundles now you say the first one no about 9 gig 3 cedis no you say about 9 gig 3 cedis and spice up it is a see now you say about 9 cedis 3 gig na and spice no more patch say ubetimi ato ebia 3 cedis sama kuma ko 10 year 30 Ghana cedis 30 Ghana cedis so mama 90 gig oh mama 90 gig na 90 gig no the mama no ubetimi use sa bundle la ade say 12 or matching was sort of 12 no to 5 o'clock into betimi use sa 90 gig now the 30 Ghana cedis pa you know ubetimi dey downloads ubetimi dey do episode dey bia ubetimi dey and now put 2 cedis no so ubetimi dey ato and inspire like influence ada anything be abeda so you be tell say obando na wato no e be sa mpatwenti mi gidi pass say explanations we in this video in the wow say open downloads open Netflix we say what Netflix down now download the way ya between you say offer we night and they all download already so MTN be but see no phone for the omo aba no omo de no as a bundle no difference no e wo no mu chain MTN there no because MTN then I say 2.99 almost 3 cedis no ubinya 8.51 gig but Vodafone no ubinya 9 gig ain't difference be 490 megabyte b different be 490 megabyte b me gidi pass video be on to bit me check it out we use Vodafone now bit me check it out to see offer what they are no follow tech and trail Facebook YouTube here subscribe the channel me the videos be bro me the videos are here we can have ya we are deep ya unim ade na wo ye no